Hey guys, so in this video I'm gonna do a Howleen book review, and even if you can't see her shoes, it's in the school, so that means I have a desk and I could stand her up on the desk so you can see her shoes. I gotta fix her a little bit. Perfect. Now, before we start the review, I didn't get any comments about if you wanted me to do a review of the school or the coffin house. I need them really quick, because if I'm not going to get any comments about that, I'm just going to do a review of the house and the school. So, let's start the review. The review includes a review of her pet. Okay, now I'm going to start. Her hair has curls. Her hair is orange and a tint of yellow. She has like a little curl close to her nose, but like if you pull down, it's like up to her lips. Now she has like a curl, like tons across the top of her head, but so cute. But I have no clue if this is a bun or like part of the little curls. Now, her shirt is black, clouds, full moon, and half moons. A necklace, a paw and an H. It's a symbol necklace. A paw because she's a werewolf, and then a paw because she's a werewolf, and then an H because her name is Howleen and it starts with an H. Howleen is so adorable. So that's why I did a review, and I love her clothes, and I love the little strap. It's blue, has a gold buckle, and then there's like little yellow circles. With an orange shirt, with a blue hood, with blue, orange, and pink paws, and then little scratches. Now her pants are just regular jeans, and then on the bottom there's just the strip of blue and then little yellow circles. Her backpack is, the zipper has an H. Her name, Howleen. And then her backpack, it's a blue paw. And then the blue paw also has little yellow claws, and then the little fingers, like nubs. Her bracelet, it's yellow and long, and then has buckles. Now her bracelets, blue, pink, and blue, black, and pink. Now we're going on to her shoes. I'm sorry if I'm messing up. I can't talk today. I really can't talk today when I'm making videos. So now her shoe buckles are blue and then yellow. Her shoes are black. she has a fishnet sock. And then she has yellow, blue, red or orange striped sock. Now Cushion. Its name is Cushion. It is her pet hedgehog or porcupine. And then it has a little strip of orange. And then the rest is just regular gray. This is oh my god. This is the end of the review. And also, if you want, you could just throw in a comment. I really need comments now. And I really need to know if you want me to review the coffin house. Please, I need comments or anything about the coffin house. So, bye.